It may still go. Precision, look at that.
Nice.
Low battery on this.
Alright, that's fine.
Oh.
Wow.
That's hooked.
Get a screenshot of that with us pointing at it. It's so cool.
Come on, where's the power button on this thing?
Okay. Oh, yes.
Oh, look to the left.
Oh, yes. That is what I like to see. Wow.
Oh, we're right in town, too.
We need to find a place to pull off. Maybe behind that hotel? No.
Yeah, maybe.
I'm going to pull into this gas station. That's what we're going to do.
205, not bad. Oh, she's hooking more and more every update. We just go get on top of the hotel, you know?
Look at that. Okay.
Look, over here it's like an inch of hail. Almost, yeah, it's turning into an inch of hail. Oh my, that was huge.
What's that, big?
Yeah. Over here.
My poor car.
There's people literally parking like maniacs just to get out of it.
Sounds like it's settled down.